What's up with you, bitch? Mother, aka Mother, son, still girl, back 1,000. What deterioration, little Donnie, you know what I'm saying? Look, you new person on my channel, welcome, you know what I'm saying? You're short, see, looking like a little snake, I see you looking like a little buffet. What up, you know what I'm saying? You do what up, you know what I'm saying? Not real, let my channel stay to my channel. You don't, you can leave, you know what I'm saying? Look, you know what I'm saying? Like a Vargas told me to reaction to a song. We're gonna see a song go hard or not, you know what I'm saying? We're listening to a long time ago. Do really go hard, son. Look up, do really go hard, you know what I'm saying? But y'all, look, you know what I'm saying? I gotta tell y'all something, bro. Boom, YouTube, bro. I thought y'all doing your comments, y'all wasn't doing your comments, saying, you know what I'm saying? What YouTube did, they hold your comment, they hold it in your comment and put something else. I didn't see it. They really hide it from me, saying. So boom, I looked at my YouTube, like inside my YouTube on my computer, right? Goes to my account. Couldn't see it. When I went to my phone, son, and I looked through it, like the settings apps or whatever. I looked in there and I found what's the holding thing. I found all the comments on the hold, bro. And some of y'all I didn't see, bro. It's like, understand, bro. I didn't, like, I ain't see your comment. Nah, bro. YouTube just hold it from me, bro. Don't ask me, bro, why they do that shit, but don't ask me, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hold up, y'all, quick. You know what I'm saying? Look, bro, I forgot. They Asians, bro. They Asians. They Southeastern Asians, yeah. Or Chinese, one of those, bro. I'm put this dude comment right there. Now he told me the Asians, you know what I'm saying? I thought they were Mexicans, bro. You know what I'm saying? Cause you got some Mexicans look Chinese, but they're not. You know what I'm saying? You got some look white, but they ain't white. You know what I'm saying, bro? Cause I thought it was one of the Latina girls I talked to, bro. She was white. She was straight Latina girl, but I you know, saying, you know what I'm saying? Then I talked to this Puerto Rican shorty. I thought she was mixed with black, bro. But nah, nigga, she straight Puerto Rican. I'm like, bro, damn, like. Y'all got different colors.
On a mission, we can't stop till we finish. Yeah. Handing out cause we was taught to go get it. Brother gone, I can't focus. 23, what I'm missing. Yeah. Purple juice inside the cup, no, you can't kiss what I'm sipping. We ain't in all that this, and you tripping, go ahead and set some shots. Hey, don't catch you.
I'm saying, bro, who wanna do that shit, bro? That fucking back and forth shit. That shit is boring, bro. Like, I don't know why niggas always wanna diss people and go back and forth with a rap song. That shit annoying, bro. Who wanna do that shit?
We on the road and taking trips, you know the block be hot. You wanna fight, bitch, I ain't fine, cause we ain't from the box. I been thinking about my brother Jordan, almost say nice.
Yeah.
Hey, I lost my grandma, I ain't feeling right. You rather die, go to jail, getting caught with a pipe. Wanna slide a 50 on your glizzy, ain't saving your life. Stop pillow talking, speaking down to these bitches. I'ma let you take my life from niggas.
How you feeling, bro? Cause I'm on his back, bro. Cause I remember I was like, boom. Well, I was like maybe 7 or 6, bro. It's some shit people know I went through, but besides the point, I was fucking up so bad, bro. Every time my mom had 2 jobs to take care of me. You feel what I'm saying? She had 2 jobs, and yeah, bro. I was going to school, bro. I never wondered when my mom, like, you know, she was pissed at me, like really mad at me, bro. You feel what I'm saying? But it was like I would have fights in school, bro, because bro, I'm a quiet kid. I don't fuck with nobody. Understand? Me, I don't mess with nobody. You feel what I'm saying? I stay to myself. Like some stuff don't bother me. You know what I'm saying? Cause I don't like nothing bother me. You feel what I'm saying? But it's like, you know, you're in school, bro. Somebody always gotta say something to you, bro. Then when he touched me, bro, I put his head through the wall, bro. I was not playing, bro. That nigga pissed me out that day, bro. I was so upset, bro. Then I got to spend it, whatever. My mom was pissed at me. But what the fuck you doing? Woo, 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 woo. And my grandma, she's like, Mijo, come here. I said, yes. She was like, why you doing this? Woo, woo. Then my grandpa come, bro. I thought I was in trouble, but I thought my grandpa would whoop my ass, bro. So my grandpa coming, well, what happened? Well, he was mad at me. I understand, he was mad at me. But it's like my grandpa really told me to get out of trouble, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's quite every time my birthday, no cap, bro, he has to tell me, keep my dick in my pants and keep her legs closed. You will never have a kid. And to this day, I never have a kid, bro. I miss my grandpa. When he died, I was 9 years old. That shit hurt me, bro. I didn't cry, but deep inside, they really scarred the fuck at me, bro. Cause like, damn, he was the only one who really cared, bro. Like, only one that cared. Everybody around me didn't get 2 fucks. My mama did, but everybody else didn't get 2 fucks about me, bro. They really didn't care about me, bro. I always just keep me up. Cause they said I was bad, I would be in jail dead. They said I'd be in jail dead, bro. They didn't get 2 fucks about me, bro. It's my grandpa, man. Look up.
We on the road and taking trips, you know the block be hot. You wanna fight, bitch, I ain't fine, cause we ain't from the box. I been thinking about my brother Jordan, almost say nice. Hey, I lost my grandma, I ain't feeling right. You rather die, go to jail, getting caught with a pipe. Wanna slide a 50 on your glizzy, ain't saving your life. Stop pillow talking, speaking down to these bitches. I'ma let you take my life from niggas heard I be snitching. See my uncle, ain't no question, bitch, I'm hopping. For my family, know I'm killing, I ain't leaving no witness. I'm stitchless, cause hell no, I can't speak. Couple bands to get a knock, you put your head by your feet. Take my brothers in the whip, you know we sliding for weeks.
Yeah.
To the neck, it ain't no nigga or a bitch that I need. I'll take that down to the G. Yeah, hey, I feel like
Bro, that nigga go hard, bro. All them niggas, bro, all them together, bro. All them really go hard, so no cap, bro. They really do go hard, bro. All them niggas really go hard, bro. Like, no cap, dude. I think these 5 songs I do, bro, I'm gonna try to find a new song. If somebody tell me, hey, bro, reaction to the song, I don't know, you know what I'm saying? After you got little tools, you feel me?
they gon' take my life with him. Cause if you bustin', then I'm bustin'. I ain't going out alone. Check, boy, yeah, that's my brother, know I'm sliding for him. Calling, acting like you feel me, I ain't answering the phone.
Who edits this video? You lit, bro. I'm not playing.
You went with me from the jump, leave me alone. And I'm just all up in my zone. And it ain't too much feelings that I'm strong. Every day, you know I'm trying to make it home. Play with us, you gon' get done. Hey, gon' make it out, but I ain't trying to wait. And I don't know which road to take, but we gon'
Bro, how do y'all do that shit, bro? It's like, boom, they be moving it, but they come back forward like that and they come right back. That shit is clean, bro. I would try to learn that shit, bro. I don't even know how to do it, son. Like, I swear, I would try to learn that, but I can never do that shit, bro. Y'all don't know, bro. In the future, YouTube is a hobby, bro. Be honest with you, bro. In the future, I'm doing chefing. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to learn, like, camera moves and shit, like, computers and shit. Try to learn that. You feel what I'm saying? But if I do make a new YouTube, bro, bitch, I getting paid, boy. Understand. But you don't see me every day on YouTube, so I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna be live screen for an hour, nigga. What y'all wanna play? 007, you know what I'm saying? Call of Duty, you feel me? Migrate. Nigga, you wanna play? We gonna play. Rack to the video. Bro, I was saving my price. I playing. Run my money up.
For a couple bucks, my mama bills is barely paid, so I ain't done enough. Now you ain't built how we was living, you ain't tough enough. Imagine scraping coins from the couches so I could have enough. And I'm
Bro, I'm free weight, bro. Nigga, that ain't no lie, bro. Yeah, bro, you ever try to get something, but you starving so fucking bad, bro. You try to, but you looking on the couch, the car, everything, try to sit some change and get something to eat, bro. Yeah, but I don't understand that pain, bro. Y'all don't feel that, bro. The days you don't have no damn air, bro. You feel me? On the days you don't have no hot water to take a bath. You gotta boil the hot water on the stove, put that in your bath water. You feel, but ain't, nigga.
I'm too solid for
I
this
ain't
shit,
feeling
can never
that, bro.
change on 'em. Hey, see, everybody got a chain on them. And paperwork, no, I can never put no name on them. How is that your brother if you tryna put the blame on him? Hey, I feel like they gon' take my life with him. Cause if you bustin', then I'm bustin', I ain't going out alone. Check, boy, yeah, that's my brother, know I'm sliding for him. Calling, acting like you feel me, I ain't answering the phone. And all that fake shit I don't condone. You went with me from the jump, leave me alone. And I'm just all up in my zone.
I'm sorry, but I don't do no fake ass shit, bro. I really don't, bro. If I see some fake ass, if you lied to me, bro, I don't know, care, bro. If somebody lied to me, bro, I question everything you told me, bro. You feel me? Cause you lied to me once. How much time you lied to me, son? You feel what I'm saying? It's like, I want to try lie to my brother. Be honest with you, I tell my brothers the truth, bro. Sometimes they get pissed at me, get mad at me, but at the same time, it's the truth, bro. I'm not gonna sit there and lie to you and be like, ooh, nah, bitch, it's the truth, bro. You getting your feelings or not? Cause sometimes they tell me, bro, I get upset, but at the end of the day, I know it's the truth, bro. They're not gonna lie to me, bro. You feel me? So it's like, tell the truth to your homeboys, bro. Don't sit there and lie, cause if you lie, bro, don't be like, damn, how much time you lied to me, son? You feel me?
And it ain't too much feelings that I'm strong. Every day, you know I'm tryna make it home. Play with us, you gon' get done.
But look, you know what I'm saying? I hope y'all liked the video. Did like the video, put thumbs up. You did like the video, put thumbs on. Comment below, you know what I'm saying? Always say, stay chill, stay blessed. See you on the next video. Yeah.